Hi, this is Hadas from In Canva and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the new Smartmockups addition to Canva's home screen. Up until now, we could find and still can find Smartmockups in our editing screen. We can also go straight ahead to Smartmockups website, but now you can find a special tab right on the home screen of Canva. So I'm going to teach you how to create these mockups straight from there in the most easiest way possible. I'm going to demonstrate this with a logo design that I already designed. So if you'd like to use my template, you'll find a link in the comments below that you can adjust for your own business. Are you ready? Let's go. So here's my logo. I've created it from a text box and some elements, and I'm going to group this together, and the most important thing is that I need to download this as a PNG or a JPEG. I am going to download this as a PNG with a transparent background, so it will be transparent, and this is a Pro feature. If you do not have a Pro account, you can just download this with a white background or any other background that you'll have, and maybe remove the background with a third party. But if you'd like to do this easily with Canva, you'll find 45 days for free with Canva Pro, no strings attached, in the comments below. So I'm just going to download this, and let's head out back to the home screen. So you'll see that once you scroll down here, you have the Smartmockups tab. I'm just going to click on that, and then you get this designated page. Now, as you can see, Smartmockups has added over 8,000 mockups, and this is a number that's just going to grow with time. So I can easily search from here for anything I'd like, or go to these tabs and search for technology mockups, print, package, apparel, home, and living. Once I click on any of them, I get these subcategories underneath, and also you'll find your recently used mockups always underneath here. So let's say, for example, I'm going with apparel this time. So I'm going to click on apparel, and here I can choose my subcategory, whether it's sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sportswear, or swipe this and find some more categories. So I'm going to go with t-shirts, and even here I have some subcategories. Long sleeve t-shirts, men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, kids, unisex, flat lay. So let's go with flat lay. One important thing that I should share with you is that about 25% of the mockups will be for free users, and all the rest will be Pro. So if you have a Pro account, you can use all mockups. So I'm going to choose this t-shirt, and then I get this screen. Let's get started. So I'm going to select this t-shirt, and then I can either select something that I've uploaded before, or just upload now something from my own desktop, or just click on the Designs tab and go straight to your designs and pick something straight from there. So I've already uploaded my logo. I'm just going to click on that, then click on Select, and here's my image. Magic! Now I can adjust this image. I'm going to click on Adjust, and a few things that you can do right here. I can move this around and scale it. I can stretch it, make it smaller, bigger, place it maybe at the top right corner or wherever I like. I can also use the image sizing right here on the right. I can choose Fit, which is what I am doing right now, or I can also choose Fill, Stretch. Do be aware that it sometimes changes the proportions, or Custom, and then just scale it as I like. You have the scale down here, and you can make it bigger or smaller. Zoom in, zoom out. You can also set the alignment, and you can also flip it. I'm not going to flip it because I have some text here. And then just hit the Save button. Now you can either use this in a design or download this as it is. Let's use this in a design and see how we can upgrade our design with our mockup. So I'm going to pick a Facebook post, and I'm going to create a post that announces my upcoming grand opening. So here's my design, and I'm just going to add some text backgrounds. Boom, there it is. And look at that. This upgrades my design. It looks super professional and very, very engaging. How about your new addiction with Smartmockups? I'll see you in the next video.